India, a land where farming isn't just a job, it's a legacy handed down through generations. Today there's a revolution happening in our fields, quietly but powerfully, driven by tech, sustainability and big dreams. Welcome to the future of Indian agriculture. Think about it. We've gone from bullock plows to roaring tractors, and now to drones buzzing over our crops. But it's not just about producing more. It's about growing smarter, with quality, resilience, and the planet in mind. Technology is now digging deep, literally. AI and big data help predict weather, soil health, and crop yields. Drones scan fields and spray fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy. IoT sensors track moisture and nutrients in real time. Even blockchain keeps our food journey transparent from farm to plate. And with farmer-friendly apps like Kisan Suvidha and Dehat, help is just a tap away. Facing climate change, farmers are shifting to earth-friendly ways. Organic and zero-budget farming, drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, crop rotation, these green practices are taking root. Biofertilizers and composting are making a comeback too. And here's the big picture. India could soon be the world's agriculture innovation hub. By 2030, imagine a country exporting organic crops, leading in Agritech startups, and filling smart villages with thriving tech-savvy farmers. Still, the journey isn't easy. Digital illiteracy, fragmented fields, water shortages, and unpredictable weather remain big hurdles. But I've seen farmers adapting, checking market prices on apps, installing solar pumps, and saving water like never before. With 60% of us linked to agriculture, our future truly grows in our fields. Share this story if you believe in green innovation. Let's show the world Indian farming is rising, smarter, greener, and stronger than ever.